Hey Easy Investors, it's Jess here and I'm back with more for your how-to video series. Today I'm going to show you how to buy some shares. So let's get right to it. I've logged into my app and it automatically takes you to your portfolio page. We're going to click the little invest icon second from the left at the bottom. So this shows you all your shares. You can search via the category of equities, ETFs, ETNs. You can also search for a specific stock in the search bar. We've got category tags next. So it's automatically set to all, but if you want to have a squiz, let's say you want to invest in a bank, you can choose banks and it will specifically bring you your options. So for today's purposes, we're just going to use all. We're going to randomly choose one on the front page. All right, Adcock Ingram. So when you've clicked on your share of choice, it'll bring you to this page where you've got a quick access buy now button at the top. You can see the prices of the last price, the buying and the selling price. And then you've got your little graph here. You can see your 1 month return in the top left and your daily move in the top right. If it's green with positive numbers, it is basically busy going up and profits. If it is red with negative numbers, it is currently going down in the market. You can also click 3 month return, 6 month return, and you can see the returns over the duration of the time. You can scroll down, you can read more about this company. We've also got Yahoo Finance and our research for you just to dive in a little deeper and decide if this is really the share for you. Let's say you've decided to buy this share. You can now choose a buy now, once off transaction, or a recurring transaction, which you can set to debit order either monthly, quarterly, or annually. So we're going to do a buy now. You can see your available funds to invest and you can choose a amount in ZAR. Let's say you want to do 50 bucks. You can then see the amount of shares you are getting. If you want to do it another way, you can specifically choose the number of shares. Let's say you want to do 1.5 shares. It'll show you the price that you need to buy at. So let's just do 50 bucks for today. All right, it then shows you your value, your estimated number of shares, and your investment costs that you can see the breakdown of. And this particular share, you can add insurance, and then you can also do the donate for good charity feature. You can then select your buy order type. So market order will go off at this price. A limit order is set to a specific amount, in this case less than 51.99 Rand. So we're going to keep it as is, and we're just going to click buy now. And there you have it. You have bought your shares, you get your little congratulations screen come up. And if you then go back down to portfolio, you click on your Easy ZAR, you scroll down, and there's your holding. Under your holdings, you can see your share. If, for example, you already had the share bought and you want to buy more of it, instead of going to search through the invest page, you can just go to your holdings and at the top right, you buy more. And that's how you buy shares, Easy Investors. Happy investing.